Today we'll talk about how can you disable social graph on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on privacy center, just click on it. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you come here to social graph, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's means social graph disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.